Well, nationally, RSV cases are on the rise. So much so, the American Academy of Pediatrics has asked President Joe Biden to declare a pediatric emergency. But there's some good news right here in East Tennessee. Health leaders say they've seen a decrease in RSV cases.
10 News reporter Jacinta Render joins us with what's been unfolding at Children's Hospital during the past few weeks. Jacinta?
John and Robin, while RSV cases are down, that doesn't mean the pediatricians at East Tennessee Children's Hospital aren't busy. In fact, they say their hospital bed capacity remains full.
Luckily, we have been busy but able to handle it.
Shannon Cohen, the pediatric hospitalist at East Tennessee Children's Hospital, says they've watched RSV cases closely. It is an illness that mainly affects kids with severe cold-like symptoms.
So we have had instances over the past month where we have had problems with bed space and have had to keep people monitored in the emergency room because we didn't have bed space on the floor. That has gotten a little better.
If you take a look at the data released by Children's Hospital, the number of most recent cases is much lower than a month ago. Within the last week, they had 54 cases. It was more than 100 in October.
RSV cases have slightly declined. We would still caution people to be very careful about exposure,
especially going into the holiday season.
It would be best, to keep people that are sick away from these group gatherings as much as possible.
The American Academy of Pediatrics wrote a letter to President Biden. Many states are reporting that more than 90% of their pediatric beds are occupied. Cohen says right now they can handle the amount of patients with RSV, but that could all change.
Especially as people get together over the holidays, they get exposures. We'll see, our increase in beds being taken up very soon probably will come again.
Another worry, flu. Health leaders are watching those case numbers closely. They say we could see a spike in both flu and RSV after the holiday season. John, Robin.
We'll continue to watch it. Jacinta Render on the story. Thank you.